Hello, let me show you how to draw this sketch using AutoCAD, where I will start with the central vertical line. Maybe the sketch look bit confusing, but still you can start with the baseline. The baseline will help you to go stepwise till the top end. Okay, the overall height it is shown as 120, followed by I just need to add some 12 mm. It is going around 132. So let me draw an axis line of 150, which is more than the sketch length. By keeping F8 on 150 axis line, I'll consider. Then let me move this axis somewhere here with respect to the coordinate system. Now I'll go with the sketch. I'll start with the baseline, which is of 100 mm. Now I'll draw a line of F8 on 50. So if you draw one side of the sketch, as it is symmetrical with respect to vertical, I can draw one side of the sketch, rest I can mirror it. Now I took from the center, it has some 100 mm, so I took it as 50 and a height of 15, followed by a width is there. That width we need to evaluate. So line, his height is given 15 and this width we don't know, so I just take it for some extension. Now after this, now this line is passing through, so at this intersection there is a radius given here as 10 radius is given. Okay, so at a height of 14, not at 15. So simply what I'll do, already a line is there, so this line I'll try to offset, enter, through enter, this one by 1 mm. Okay, this line I'll try to delete. Then I draw circle here of 10 radius. Is it right or wrong? 10 radius, correct. So now I'll take this extension till here. It is done. This part is done. Here there is a fillet of 4 radius that I need to give, followed by this width we need to evaluate. Okay, that we'll see. So there is 80 mm offset also, that I'll try to do that offset. 80 means 40. Offset, enter, through enter, this vertical up to 40 mm. Okay, now simply I can draw a line, L enter, from this point till this intersection completely. Alright, now unwanted things I'll try to remove. These things are not required completely. Alright, there is a step. Okay, small. This line is not required actually. This is an axis line that I can delete later. Before that, what I'll do, I'll draw a straight line passing through. To draw this tangential line, I need to have a circle on the top. So that circle I'll draw by taking 88 offset, 88 on either side of the vertical, where I'm going to get it as some 44. So I'll take this offset of 120, the baseline or what? Yes, this line need to be offsetted. O, enter, through enter, this line at an offset distance of 120. Okay, that is created, and now there is, after creating this offset distance of 120, there I need to draw two circles, concentric circles of 12 diameter and 12 radius. 12 diameter and 12 radius that I need to draw at an offset of 44. This need to be offsetted. O, this at a distance of 44. So here I just need to draw a circle of one radius is 12 and one more radius is 6. Completed. So let me see whether I need to draw. Yes, now I can easily draw a straight line passing from this intersection till tangentially by keeping F8 off. Done. Alright, this line is no more required, that is okay. And other than that, there is a fillet here between the bigger circle and this line, so that I'll do. To draw that bigger circle here, 68 need to be offsetted. Okay, so now what I'll try to do, this line need to be offsetted. O, enter, enter. This line need to be offsetted to 66. Let me cross verify. 68. This is wrong. This line offset 68. Okay, that 68 I need to draw a circle of 40 radius. Circle of 40 radius completed. Any other things required? Yes, there is one more circle of 26 diameter. 26 diameter means 13 radius. Okay, upon which we are going to get this what you call gear kind of thing, or a keyway kind of representation. Okay, so now I just try to create a fillet between circle and the line with 14 radius. Okay, here fillet need to be created. This line is not required, and this line is also not required. Then a straight line, EX double enter, extend. Now I need to create a fillet between this line, enter, sorry, fillet between this line, the radius of 14, 1, 4, enter. This is how the fillet look like. Okay, so other side I can easily mirror it. Now here at the corner there is 4 radius. Again I'll take a fillet option. This one with a radius of 4, enter. This line. That is also created. Alright. So now we are done with the left side part. Right side I can mirror it. So now I'll try to mirror the lines. Yeah, but here there is a gap that need to be drawn properly. Tangential line is required. A line from here to F8 on this point. TR double enter. This is not required. This part is not required. This part is not required. Alright. Now I would like to mirror 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the things need to be mirrored. Is to circles also. Mirror with respect to vertical. No to this. TR double enter. Unwanted things. This is unwanted. This is also. Okay, that I just can trim with the option. Alright, now let me see how to create other fillets. Here there is a fillet. There is one more fillet of 34 radius. Fillet of 34 radius. That will take fillet between this one and this one. So I'll take fillet, radius of 34, enter, and this line. Okay, now which is unwanted? Here it is taking some portion of the existing circle, TR double enter, which is not required. This is not required. These two. This is how it is going to look like. Internally there is a hatching. Before going for hatching, here this keyway or the gear kind of representation need to be marked, which is at an offset distance of 40, means 20 on either sides, 20 on either side with a width of 6, 20 on both the sides. So offset this up to 20 on both the sides. Sorry, this side is not required. Actually I can plan only one side, then I can easily, what I can do is TR double enter. First side I'll take a line, enter. One side I'll make it as 3, So this side I'll just delete, and I'll take mirror of this line about the vertical. Alright, then a straight line passing through from this point till some extension. Double enter will again take you back to the sketch tool. TR double enter. This thing is not required, this thing is also not required. Okay. Now I would like to do array ARR of 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. By using enter, a polar array, I can plan that 4 is the number. Alright, then I'll say OK to this. Trim unwanted. This is not required. This is not required. This is also not required. These are the unwanted things. This is how I am trying to remove the axis lines also, just for the sake of what you call hatching. Okay, internally I can easily plan the hatching. H, enter is the option. This is how you need to pick. This is how the hatching look like. Alright, and if you want, again you can change the thicknesses, you can change the colors, everything is possible. This is how the sketch look like. Alright, now you can change the thickness also. Thickness can be changed through the properties again. This is how it is going to look like. Alright, initially the sketch, when you look at it, may look bit complex, but you have to start drawing the sketches, start practicing it, start reading the dimensions properly, how to execute, where to start, where to end is very important point to be noted. Thank you, and if you have any questions, you can comment in the box given below.